Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe it, like it and share it with your friends. And today we're gonna see the unboxing come review of this Usha garment steamer, which is really very well for me. And it has some drawbacks because I was using this for the past 1 week, and it was really an amazing steamer I've ever used. So I'm gonna mention all the pros and cons about it, and I've been using this for the past 1 week and it was really amazing, and it has some drawbacks too. So if you're gonna buy this, and please check this video fully till the end. So let's get into the video. Okay, this is the Usha garment steamer. I've received it from Amazon. Okay, I've mentioned the link in the description. If you want, you can buy it. So after a big struggle, I have opened it. So finally, this is the Usha garment steamer box. And there is 3 different colors. One is light green, light pink and the mild purple, and this is the mild purple one. Okay, let me unbox this and show you the entire steamer package. This is how the steamer looks, so I'm gonna keep it aside and I'm gonna explain the parts of it and what are the things they have given along with this. This is the brush. It is a detachable one. You can use it for ironing. They have given another manual along with this, a small portable bag. So in this steamer, this is the most important part where you can fill water. So steaming iron is mostly filled of water. So how much ever water you fill, you'll be getting a steam. Okay, this is the first thing I've done after getting this steamer in my hand. Okay, I'm reviewing it after a week now. In the past 1 week, I was using it each and every day. Okay, I know I'm keeping it clumsy, but this is how it looks after a week of usage. So this is the white cover they've given along with this. So this is how I keep it. So this is the perfect look of this steamer. So this is a detachable brush they have given along with this. I've attached it to this steamer. So this is the button, you can use it for steaming. Most importantly, they have given a long wire for this because it is flexible for ironing, and this is the place where you need to fill water. Okay, you must always make sure this steamer is having at least 70% of the water, and you can use it up to 20% it comes. So and this is the place where you can see the water's level. After the water was completely steamed away, then you can fill it again. But before starting, you should make sure it is containing 70% of the water. And this is how you should easily hold it and start doing your steaming work. So you should hold an iron by using the button over there. Okay, in this 1 week, to be frank, I was really disappointed in first use because I didn't know how to use it. After 2 to 3 use, I was really in love with this product, and it was really a nice product. And the brand, it was Usha, which is really a trustable brand in India, which is one of the oldest and famous brand here. Okay, now I'm gonna direct you how to use it. Okay, while holding it, you should press the button over there and start wiping from up and down. So this is a cloth we're gonna iron. You can see this cloth was not pressed neatly, and it was very untidy, and it is having so many lines on it. So this is a cloth we're gonna use it. Okay, as I said before, first you have to check the water level. So it was below 70%, and it is one of the worst part, I think, because you need to refill the water after 4 to 6 dresses, but actually it depends on the fabric. If it is a shirt, you can use for 6 to 8 shirts, but if it is a jean cloth or heavy material, then you have to use it for only 3 to 4 shirts or jean, and then again you have to refill it, and this is the biggest demerit about it. And all other than, it is very easy to handle and user friendly. after switching it on, you can see the light, red light over there, and after some time it will off. So no issues, you can just press the button and start ironing. Can you see the steam coming out of it? All because of that water we put inside. So just hold it firmly and hold the button and swipe it up to down or down to up. So now you can see the dress is getting rid of lines, so many lines on it. I have done just 2 wipes on the other side. Can you see the difference? And this side is full of wrinkles, and now I'm gonna do this side, and especially this pocket is having so many lines on it. So now I'm gonna use it again. I'm just holding one side and bringing it down and again up and down, and this is how you should use. You can use so you can do so many wipes as much as you want. Okay, there is no limitations for ironing only 2 times or 3 times. You can do as much as you want. You can't find any differences or any damage in your cloth, so you can use it as per your wish, but only 2 to 3 is more than enough for a cloth. I think now you can visibly see the difference between the old pocket and this one, because it has so many lines on it. I've just done only 1 to 2 strokes, and you can see the pressed and neat shirt now. And if you want it to be very perfect, and then you just go for 3 to 5 strokes, no issues in that. Now I'm gonna press this shirt's hand. Okay, here it is having so many lines on it, so now I'm gonna press here. It's all about steaming, and steaming is just a vapor content of the water what we done, so it will not give any damage to your cloth. And even in heavy materials you can directly use it, because in many of the heavy materials you cannot use the iron boxes, and it will be perfect for the last minute ironing, and it will definitely save so much of time. So overall it was a good one and really useful one, and I can give 4 out of 5 for this, because the only thing I don't like about it was refilling it again. You can't even find even a single stroke. It was really a nice one and a last minute best for last minuters. So I'm kind of a last minute runner, so this steamer is really good for me. So overall it was a good one, and if you want to buy this, use the below link. So thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like it and share it with your friends.